Kiddy stream.
Hello, outstanding friends. I'm Ollie the Octopus. I'm here today to open up the exciting letter O.
Look, here is the big O and the little O. They are both nice and round, and they make a sound like you're opening your mouth.
The short O sound is O. Make your mouth round. O, O, O. Outstanding. Let's find words that open with this sound.
Look, another O octopus. Octopus starts with O. Say it with me. Octopus.
Hello, tall friend. It's an ostrich. Ostrich also starts with O. Let's say ostrich.
It's a warm oven. Oven starts with O too. Try saying oven.
Outstanding! We saw the O octopus, the O ostrich, and the oven. They all have the opening O sound.
Servings and servants, these are all exposed servants.